Greetings, cloud tech innovators. Ariel here, your IT manager. Our big move to the new office in downtown Seattle is just around the corner. Let's make sure you're up to speed on some crucial logistics and security details, shall we? Starting with on-site security, we've installed top-tier CCTV cameras at strategic points, ensuring our workspace is monitored round the clock. You'll be handed a digital keycard for entry and exit. Treat it like gold. Always wear it visibly and ensure no unfamiliar faces follow you in. Your workspace is designed for both comfort and efficiency. You'll find a high-resolution monitor, advanced computers, and versatile charging stations for all your devices. Just a quick note: make it a habit to secure your computer and personal items when you leave for the day. Let's talk Wi-Fi. When you connect, make sure you're choosing the Cloud Tech Secure network. For the initial setup, you'll be provided with a unique password. Keep it confidential. And here's a pro tip: always prefer wired connections when you can. They offer both speed and security. Beyond your desk, our common areas are places of synergy and relaxation. Let's keep them tidy, and remember, they're shared spaces, so always be mindful of securing any confidential information. If any concerns pop up or you just want to chat about the tech, the IT team and I are here for you. Let's make Cloud Techie's new home both groundbreaking and secure. See you all in the heart of Seattle.